Vivo Y30 slow motion setting. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can set slow motion setting in Vivo Y30. Okay, so guys, if you are willing to slow motion videos in Vivo Y30, then how it is possible, how you can do slow motion videos, how you can record it. Okay, everything you will get to know about in this video, so just stay tuned with the video. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. So now let's start the video. So guys, at first, okay, what you need to do here is, if you want a slow motion video, then guys you can open up your camera. Okay, so let's go back. So this is your camera. Okay, you have to turn on your camera, and then guys, if you search for slow motion video setting, so okay, now go to video and guys check it out. Okay, where is slow motion setting? If you go to setting, there you won't find any kind of slow motion setting. Okay, you will get the video resolution setting, but guys in Vivo Y30 you will not get any slow motion setting, okay, which is very sad. But guys, don't worry, what you need to do is you just have to record a normal video. Okay, if you want to make slow motion videos, just record a video in normal mode. Okay, just like this, click on the video and pause the video, and after that go back. Okay, so now we'll go to video editing software, that is KineMaster. So you need video editing application, okay, like KineMaster or whatever you can manage. You can download and install it from the Google Play Store. So let's go to new project, select the landscape mode, and after that you have to click on the media. After that go to camera, which we have recorded a video, we have to select it, and after selecting the video you have to click on the tick. Okay, so now let's play the video. So as you can see guys, okay, so video is in normal mode. So tap on the video, click here on the speed, slow down the speed from here, and at the right top you can see the tick, you have to click there. So now the setting is safe. Now play the video. So the video is much more slower than before. That's it. So this is how people make slow motion videos in KineMaster. Okay, so guys, in Vivo Y30 we need the help of the video editing application. So if you want KineMaster without watermark, then guys you will get it on Google. Okay, go to Google, search for the correct version, you will get it. So that's it guys. So I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.